Hey there, fellow students! Welcome to the Master P Image Editing Competition hosted by the Hong Kong Family Welfare Society. Information literacy is a set of abilities to facilitate netizens to be effective and ethical with information, as well as being responsible with our online behaviors. The sets of abilities include identifying our needs for information, finding, evaluating, organizing, and expressing information, and stay up to date with the changing online world. It also refers to creating new ideas, using technology ethically, and protecting ourselves on the internet. And what better way to learn and have fun than through an image editing competition? The Master P competition is all about using your creativity to reflect on the internet's impact on the society. In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about the competition, including the rules, how to submit your work, and even some free websites and software you can use to get started with image editing. The competition is open to primary and secondary school students. You can submit up to 5 works with a title and a brief description of no more than 100 words each. Please make sure that your work is original and does not violate any laws or rules. Don't forget to submit your work online by the 19th of June. Your work should be no larger than 15 MB and be saved in JPG, PNG, or PDF format. And don't forget to provide the original image before editing when submitting your work. All works must be your original creations and must not infringe on anyone else's rights. Your work should not have been displayed or published in any form in the media, public places, or other competitions, and cannot participate in other similar competition before the end of this competition. Also, please make sure that your work does not contain any obscene, slanderous, vulgar, discriminatory, or other indecent content, and cannot violate applicable laws or rules, or involve related elements. For the full competition rules and details, check out our website at the following link. You can use your own photos or check out some cool website for inspiration like the following. For image editing softwares, you can use any software you're comfortable with or browse the following website to edit your image. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Mr. Man Kin Hong or Ms. Lai Hao Wing at 2549-5106. We're super excited to see what kind of amazing creations you'll come up with. Let's work together to make the internet a better place.